everybody. Today we're gonna make like a sunny side up, and this is gonna be really good. So this, we're gonna need to use this. Like this, we're gonna use this pan. Put it on the stove like this. And then we're also gonna need just a bowl. We don't need the fork. I used it on the first one. So we just need a bowl and a spatula. So, and of course an egg. Maybe if my brother will, because I'm making an egg for him, he wants an egg. So basically, if he wants, maybe I might be able to add some whipped cream, but my special dish is with whipped cream. So first, basically, we need to put some oil, as we always do. Then we start it at about 7. Then we just gonna need a little more oil. Then you just move. It's like slithering everywhere. Then if it's your first time, like I said, just don't worry about it. Just ask an adult to help. And then you just do that. Unlike my first video, you do not need to scramble it. So basically, what you do now is you just need to move it around. Then about 30 seconds of that would be good. And then you move down to 6. And then just wait 5 more seconds. And then, that was not a good one. It doesn't matter. I can still make a good egg out of this. Usually if it's good, you can tell by, it would start sizzle. I'm just gonna gather out everything. Now, if this ever happens to you, just put it on 8. Remember, high is 10. The middle of high and 8 is 9, and then 8, and then 7, and then 6. Then yeah. So basically, yeah. See, now it's sizzling. So basically, you just need to move it around the pan. You don't need it quite yet. And if you're healthy, never mind. If you want it like yummy but unhealthy, then follow this. But if you want it healthy, then you flip it. That's, yeah. If you don't want to eat it raw, and then you go back to 4. Then you move the pan. Then you try to flip it, and then there. Then when you flip it, you just need to wait about 10 seconds, and then it's ready. And then just use that leftover heat. And while it's still cooking, get a plate. Then put that down. Then you just take all that heat. Then while it's still hot, oh wait, whoops. We forgot the #1 rule. While it's still hot, we always need to put salt, or else it'll just not be good. Okay, like I said in the first one, our family likes a lot of salt, but you don't have to if you don't like salt. So there. This is a super good dish. You see, it's the yolky part is yellow, so yeah. Like I said in the first video, if you would like, you put some whipped cream on it, but my brother doesn't want it, so yeah. For this video, I'm aiming for 23 likes and maybe subscribe. Bye, see you next time.